to this maybe 8 years ago. And 6 years ko sa Dagupan, and then 2 years ko sa Juan. Oh, that's about 8 years. Diba? Mga 8 years. Noon, maliliit ang kanyang bunga. Ngayon, this is the year na lumaki na siya. At talagang nagmukhang lemon lime na siya. Ako, may lalagyan tayo. Ito, madami. Oh, kukunin mo sa basket.
Sige lang.
Bala mo, si Kalabas maliling. Ay, nagam mo ng ulog sa.
Salt to taste and a little pepper and now the muscovado sugar. Lapu-lapu in fish swab.
Let's do the cha-cha, cha-cha-cha-cha. Go around the garden.
So this is my 5-fruit salad with cheese and of course yogurt. The plain yogurt, Greek style. So we have how many fruits here? It's not even just 5, but more than 5. So we have grapes, cucumber, papaya, banana, and also kiwi. And what's this? Orange. All right. And I put some raisins and also there's walnuts. Okay, walnuts. So this completes my morning 5-fruit salad. Let's eat.
Drink enough water and say salamat po. Eat nutritious food and say mabuhay. Rest and enough sleep. We need this too. Think positive, but stay alive.
Graduate ka na.
Kainan na.
Kaya na.
This is my own 5-fruit salad. Ngayon pa, we don't get on time.
Let's do the hula, la 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 la. Let's twist and jerk to the left, to the right. Let's do the cha-cha, cha-cha-cha-cha. Aloha twist, zumba, ra ra ra. Let's do the